Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add pictures to an album in the photo library on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen here, tap on Photos. In Photos, you want to tap on Library at the bottom. And in here, we're going to tap on the Select button at the top. Once you are in selection mode, you can select the photos that you want to add to an album. So here I have selected 3 photos, and I'm going to tap on the share button at the bottom. Next, from the menu, tap on Add to Album, and then select an album that you want to add it to. So in here, I'm going to choose this folder, ID Jungles, and that's it. So we have now successfully added 3 photos to the albums. So if I open up this albums tab at the bottom and I go into the IG Jungles folder or album, you can see I now have 3 additional pictures in this album. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.